Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to integrate HubSpot with PandaDoc. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your PandaDoc account. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead over to the bottom left, hover your mouse onto settings. Now there'll be a pop-up right here, just click on integrations. Click, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, at the first page we have HubSpot. Okay, just click on it. HubSpot right here allows you to create and send documents from inside HubSpot. Also can merge HubSpot fields and products into documents. You can also track document status, change from deals or contact activity. So just go ahead and click on connect if that's what you need. Wait for this pop-up to load. Now just go ahead and sign in to your HubSpot account. And if you don't have an account yet, just click on create new HubSpot account. Okay, I'm just going to click on sign in. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my email address. And once done, I'm just going to hit on next. Okay. And I'm going to click on sign in with Google. Select an account, enter the verification code that is sent to your email. Okay. I'm going to put that in here and hit on login. Just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and select a HubSpot account. Choose account. Scroll all the way down and just give the necessary permission. Then click on Connect App. And it says here, authentication has been successfully accomplished. Just click on Go to PandaDoc. And after that, you're good to go. All right. And you go ahead and check it out right here under Settings, Integrations. As you can see here, HubSpot now got a check mark. That means that it is successfully integrated. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.